I could see that this base of this color used to be white, but it has now turned yellowish. Spots, these dark spots on this bag. Canvas peeling off around the zipper area. And this bag, guys, is like talking to me, like I said, hi, hi, hi. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you watched my previous video, you would have known that I was actually a little bit upset over two of the LV bags that I own. Some quality issues there. If you haven't checked out that video, I put the link up above. And guess what guys, recently I managed to visit the nearest LV store, and obviously I showed them the two bags, which I'm going to share with you guys now. What happened, the full process. And guys, guess what, I am so impressed with the service. I'll be sharing with you guys shortly. If you are new to my channel, hi, I'm Master. Do consider subscribing. Just click the subscribe button down below. Without further ado, let's get started. So guys, when I was there, the queue was pretty long, so I had to wait for my turn. So I'm guessing why the queue is so long, probably because many of us, we are actually shopping locally now because of the travel restrictions. But luckily, I did not have to wait for too long. So when I walked in, obviously a very kind lady sales assistant attended, and I showed her the two bags. What happened, and the first one that I showed her is actually this Alma BB bag in Vernis leather of this color pink. And you guys, if you watch my earlier video, you know that the reason why I chose to purchase this bag was because of this unique strap over here. It has two ways that I could use this strap, right? One is with the white color base with monogram logos, and the other side is the pink color, same color as the Vernis leather of my Alma BB bag. So I love this strap a lot, but unfortunately, one day when I took out this strap from the dust bag, somehow I could see that this base of this color used to be white, but it has now turned yellowish. I do not know why. So I was actually asking the sales assistant what happened, why is that so, and she wasn't very sure. So she offered to check in the system. She was asking me when did I purchase, where did I purchase, to see there's any record and what model is this, so that it's easier for her to trace back and to see whether is there a stock in place for this strap for replacement or even for purchase. So obviously I lost the receipt. I do not know where I placed the receipt, but I remember this bag, it was purchased by my hubby when he went over to, I'm not sure if it's UK or Europe trip, right? So she was trying to check in the system. Unfortunately, again, couldn't find, probably because we gave her the wrong handphone number. Obviously, we changed a few rounds of the handphone number. So, and very kind, the sales assistant, she actually offered to take a picture of this photo of this strap and also this bag, take a picture. And she was telling me that she wasn't very sure, but she could help to check with the experts or the specialists and to see whether what happened to this, and whether is this something that can be repaired or something that we need to repurchase, especially on the strap. So even on this Alma BB, right, if you guys familiar with this Vernis leather, you would have known that for lighter colors, and because of this Vernis leather, we could easily have these spots, these dark spots on this bag because of this leather. And that's also the reason why, if you notice, LV now hardly release any Vernis leather now in a lighter shades. So normally it's in darker shades. So that's why this, I could see some very cute spots on my Alma BB, guys, which is like, I think it's like wear and tear, that this cannot be done. This was also being advised that there's nothing much that they can do to repair these spots. So, but luckily the spots was only at the back, so I could actually use the scarf to tie on the handle, and I could actually cover some of these spots. In front, it was still very good. I could hardly see, just a tiny spots, a few tiny spots, but in front it somehow looks still okay. So this, nothing can be done, but I was still a bit upset on the strap because you can see obviously it has turned yellowish. So I wouldn't be using this strap, but just this bag with the handle. So then of course she snapped a picture of this strap along with this bag, and she said that she would help me to find out. And a few days later, she actually called back, so I thought she would be saying that I'm so sorry, this is actually limited edition and we do not keep any stock anymore and this cannot be replaced and blah blah blah. And but guess what, guys, she actually called me and say, hi, I managed to find out for you, and actually it's not advisable to keep our bags in the dust bag. We should display our bags just like how I'm displaying now. So we shouldn't keep our bags in the dust bag. And but anyhow, she was saying that she will give this LV will replace this strap. I will be getting a complimentary strap, exactly the same one, but of course obviously it's a new strap to replace this old strap here, and it's complimentary, and I do not even need to pay to buy for this strap. And if you guys know, if we need to buy the strap from LV, it will cost probably a few $1000s as well. So I think I was very happy when she said that I could be getting this for free. So it's very good service, guys. So in that sense, I'm very happy with the service that I'm getting. Although I know eventually even the new strap, I do not know, maybe I will probably now I will not be keeping the new strap once I get it. Hopefully then it will not have this same issue. I do not know, maybe I will need to, after some time I will review that with you guys again to see if the same issue will happen if I don't keep this in the dust bag. So guys, obviously I haven't received the new strap yet. I'm waiting for the call, so once I receive the call, I will be going over to the store. So that's what happened for this Elma BB bag. But guys, this leather, lighter shades is a no-no, and I think it's best to go for real leather and not this kind of verni leather, although it looks very nice, the leather, but it's super high maintenance, guys. So that's the story that I have with this Elma BB bag. The next bag that I showed them, obviously I don't have the bag with me right now. I have already returned the bag. That is the LV Palm Spring Mini Backpack. That is the cutie that I love the bag so much until today, guys. But unfortunately, because of the defects I showed them, there is this canvas peeling off around the zipper area, and also the fraying around the black leather loops. I think these are the two very famous issues for the first version of this LV Palm Spring Mini Backpack. So I love it. I wish I could have the latest version. So I showed it to the very kind sales assistant. She looked at it. At first she was saying, looks like there's not really an issue there, but when she had a close-up look, she could then see the issues that I just explained to you guys, and she offered for an exchange. But obviously there is no stock currently in the store, so I actually had to wait for like probably a month for the stock to arrive, and then I can then only exchange. So I said okay. So I was very happy because I managed to get a free exchange, although I need to wait for like a month. And somehow in that store, and when I was walking around in that store, and I actually tried one bag, that is this very famous vanity case kind of bag. I'll show you guys a picture here. Is a vanity case kind of, you can use it as a shoulder bag or also hand carry, or also as a crossbody bag in canvas material as well. So I was actually thinking of getting that bag earlier, even before this trip. So I saw that bag during this trip, and I tried that bag, and thankfully I didn't purchase the bag earlier, because when I tried it, I actually did not really like that bag as much. So I obviously didn't get the bag. I put it back, and when I was walking around the store in LV, and I actually saw a bag. I saw a bag, and that bag was like talking to me, guys. I've never seen, have I seen the bag? Probably I've seen the bag, but I haven't seen that bag in real life, like, you know, right in front of me. So normally my practice, whenever I wanted to purchase a bag, I would have done a lot of research or checking the pros and cons, the wear and tear, and then think about it. When I'm ready, then I'll go for it. This trip, I did not have any intention to purchase any new bag. It's just as so happened when I was in the store, I saw this bag, like I told you guys just now, and And this bag, guys, is like talking to me, like I said, hi, hi, hi. And really love at first sight this bag. This bag, it is, the material is like a little bit 3D. The color is like very unique, the color, very unique, the color, and very decent looking, the bag, very steady, and it's very, I don't know how to describe the bag, guys. The color of it, it has like maybe a little bit of Hermes vibe there, the color, and the bag itself also has a little bit of Dior vibes perhaps. And obviously this bag, I don't have anything that is similar to this bag in my current collection. So something very different, something very unique, and something that I did not have to do any researches or any survey, or you know, it was actually love at first sight. I would say that love at first sight. My hubby was like very supporting. Yes, it's a very beautiful bag, and you probably should go for it. And I was so happy I found this bag. So instead of waiting for the Palm Spring Mini for a month to exchange, so I was actually having this idea, so perhaps I could go for this bag. So I need not have to wait for that 1 month for the Palm Spring backpack to be available again, because I was thinking that is not really a new version of bag, so I could easily purchase this later on. So then I decided to just not wait for the Palm Spring Mini, so I would just top up some money to purchase this new version bag. I was told that perhaps this size or this color just released this year, so I ended up went for that bag, guys. So but I will still repurchase my LV Palm Spring Mini one day. I'm doing some surveys here. I'm trying to see, maybe should I be getting a brand new one, or should I just be getting a used LV Palm Spring Mini, since it's already not the new version of bag. So but I'm sure I will be getting that bag again. But now at that point I decided to just go for this new version of bag, new color, new size that just released this year. At that point also, that bag is the last one in store that is available. So I decided to just go for that bag, guys. Could you guys guess which bag did I pick up? Based on all the elements that I shared with you guys just now, I'm not going to review which bag that I picked up this round. I'm going to review that in the next video. But if you guys could guess, you could comment down below, and we'll see if you guys could guess correctly. I will definitely review that in my next video, but not in this video. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope you guys really enjoyed this video, and I'll see if you guys managed to guess correctly. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And obviously, I'll see you guys soon in my next one. Bye, guys.